I built a flat lapidary rock polisher for under $80. Let me show you how you can too. So this is just a standard Sterilite bucket. Got it at Home Depot. They had them on clearance for like $4. I've got a planter for my water, and then a water tube secured with a coat hanger so I can adjust where the water goes, and then a valve to control the flow of the water. Then I had a rotary polisher sitting around, so I strapped that to a piece of plywood and then put these 2x4s to raise it up and screwed the bin to the 2x4s, and then added I think a 3 or 4 inch arbor extension with a pipe coupling. I think it was a 2 or 3 inch, so that the water won't drip down onto the polisher. Added these diamond infused ceramic concrete polishing discs. I'll put a link in the description for these. So I needed to be able to polish the rocks. I was holding it in my hand and had this on my lap and trying to polish them, and it was a mess. It was a pain in the ass, and it took off the tip of my finger when trying to do it. So I was like, I got to figure out a better way. So these are some of the rocks that I did yesterday. Turned out really good. This one's awesome. We just found these. So it works really well. So I screwed the bucket to the 2x4s underneath, and then I used 2-part epoxy and covered all the screw holes, epoxied the pipe coupling to the bin to make sure that no water gets down into the hole and destroys the polisher. I just screwed the water bucket to the bin. I just used deck screws because I had a bunch of them and whatever. And then had some straps and screwed the water pipe to the bin, and then just found a coat hanger and cut it and taped it to the pipe so I can adjust this to wherever I want the water to be. And yeah, I just made sure that I epoxied over all the screw holes and no water's leaking anywhere. And then just put in the drain, and the drain pipe runs out into the grass. You need to make the drain hole bigger. So let's give it a whirl. I've been working on this one. So still need to take care of some of the stuff here on the edges. So we'll do that now. So right now I've got a 50 grit pad on there. And the kit that I bought comes with, all sorts of pads, all the way up to, I think, 10,000. So 50, 100, there'll be a link in the description for that. So I'm going to turn it on. I think I've got it at speed setting 3 or 4. Turn on the water and cut it back a little bit. A little more. Nope, too much. There we go. All right, I'm not going to waste your time going through and showing you how to polish a rock. Just, it works well. So, just like a $4 bucket, and you probably have a lot of this stuff at home. So, it doesn't have to be a bucket like this, just some sort of container for water, some plastic tubing, a valve, the polishing discs and polisher, the bucket, 2x4s and plywood. Like, this would have cost me less if I had all this stuff at home, but we were going to move a couple months ago, so I got rid of a lot of stuff like that. It works great. It was cheap. The most expensive thing would be the polisher or the angle grinder, but like I said, you can use a cheap Harbor Freight angle grinder and put like a bolt through the side here into the handle holes, and that'll secure it. And then maybe just one strap, but the straps work great. This thing doesn't move anywhere. Yeah, for under $80, you can save yourself $600 and make a great rock polishing thing. Use safety glasses and a face mask or dust mask or whatever, because you don't want to be breathing this stuff in, even with the water. Some of these minerals contain like copper, like malachite here contains a lot of copper. You don't want to be breathing that in, can cause long-term health issues. There's other ones that contain asbestos or various other toxic dust. So like quartz, you don't want to be breathing in all the silica and whatnot, and just wear a face mask or dust mask. So this is just a cheap, inexpensive way to see if you want to get into lapidary or rock polishing, or if you're a rockhound that wants to, try polishing your stuff without having to invest like $500-$600 on a flat lap. But after spending all day yesterday polishing rocks, I don't think I would change much except for making a bigger drain hole. Definitely need a bigger drain hole than the quarter-inch plastic tubing that I used. So that'll be one thing that I change. I'll drill a bigger hole and just put a bigger tube in there. But other than that, I'm not changing much. But yeah, if you like videos like this and whatnot, hit the subscribe button. Helps me out. Helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching.